here we have the high limit room. We have your basic pinball, top dollar, some pokers, a lot of slots. Couple of games. Even though it's high limit, there actually are some where you can play lower denominations and it's quiet, like Prosperity Link. You can play 88 cents. Mystery of the Lamp is a low, a penny slot regular, but most stuff is in the $3 to $5 minimum range, with a lot of them 10 or more. But not a very big high limit room, but a very nice and quiet one. So now we'll go, I'll show you the restaurants. Right now, as we're heading towards the restaurants, they have a smoking area all along that wall over there, where people can, if they want to smoke, they can do that. But we are in the non-smoking portion. It says they have about 2,000 machines. So there's the Embers Bar and Grill, and it's mostly takeout, but you can sit down in there. It's only eat in certain days, but it's very nice. Food is really, really good. So stand by, we'll exit the casino, and like magic, we're out of the casino. There's the Sportsbook. If you want to make some wagers, we have a nice selection of TVs where you can watch stuff, and then we have nice seats to watch the game, if you so choose, with a beverage of your favorite drink. And then we have Three Fires Steakhouse. And I won't get any of those people in there, but it's a very nice steakhouse. Food cooked to order, very tasty. And now we're wandering into the hotel lobby, and they have a small little snack bar over here. We're a regular bar, and then right next to it, a little snack bar where you can get coffee or pastries, sandwiches, that kind of thing, just light fare. Before we go to the room, we're out on the terrace. It's raining right now, so we won't do too much, but it's a nice place to come out and sit, relax for a little bit. There's tables set up. We have a hot tub under the waterfall there, and then we have another one over here. They're small, just for a few people, but it's very nice. There are loungers, and then of course you can get rooms that open up into this courtyard. We'll get a little close-up view of the other one under the waterfall. They have a little fire pit there in the middle. So here is the little grotto spa. Kind of nice. You could grab a chair or have a little soak. So we'll go in, I'll show you where the spa and the Top Golf and the pool is, and then we'll do the room last. So stand by, Kansas Lots. Back inside, we're at the gift shop on our way to the spa. Not huge, but some nice stuff. You can get a t-shirt or a blanket, throw, or just some little odds and ends. So we are going to head down to the pool, fitness, and Top Golf swing speed. Sweet. Easy for me to say. So stand by, and when we get there, we will pop back on. Stand by, Kansas Slots. And poof, we're back. So here we have the Top Golf Suites. And you can actually play golf here, or they have some other games. Little entertainment like throwing a football or kicking a soccer ball. We've used this a lot. It's a lot of fun. It's never very crowded. They have 3 bays, so it's usually pretty easy to get in here. And the staff is excellent. We always have a good time when we're here. So then we will proceed to the arcade. If you have young ones that can't do casino games, we have an arcade down here. Not a lot to do, but they do have a few games. They really just need a big pinball machine, but I guess today's youth would not know what that is. All right. Here's our fitness. Room. The dumbbells. And then a little squat rack. And then just your standard exercise equipment, the treadmills and the bikes. But it's pretty nice stuff. Again, doesn't get much use, but it's good to know it's here. So moving on, we have the indoor pool area. Oh, I forget everything is locked down. But we have the indoor pool area. Pretty good sized pool. Nice chaises. About 100 degrees in here, which feels good because it's like 50 outside. But we have a pretty good place to swim, and then of course another spa, which is good. Let's see if we can actually get out here. Hopefully we can get back in. We have a giant TV, so you can sit out here and watch the World Series or your favorite football game that they're showing. A lot of tables, some pit groups over there to sit in, a nice outdoor fireplace. So this is a nice place to gather and have a drink. I don't know. I think the outdoor pool is probably locked, but let me raise you up, and you can see they have a nice water slide up there. And it's a nice big pool area. They have cabanas on the far side that you can rent and hang out. So right now we're in hurricane winds and it's cold. It is October, so not much swimming and cabanaing going on right now. But it still is very, very nice. So now we'll go take a look at the rooms. Stand by, Kansas Slots. All right, here we are at the Cedar Spa. Won't go in there, but we have manicures, callus, pedicures, hair, the whole thing. I'm not really a spa guy, but if you are, you need your massage to start your day, this is the place to do it. Okay, now we're gonna go to the room. I was just kidding before, but we're really going to the room this time. Stand by, Kansas Slots. All right, so here we are almost there. And here we are. Let's get the lights. Let me go show you some bathroom. There we go. So we have tub, shower, adjoining rooms if you need them. Nice. Not too shabby. And if we go out, full-length dressing mirror, have a nice microwave, coffee pot. And then we have the room. Let me see if I can get some more light on because it's very dark in here. Oh, look at that. In all the years I've been here, I never noticed, I don't know how to turn it on, but they have LED lighting. TV, mini fridge, a little storage. We have a wardrobe with an ironing board. Opens up onto a terrace, but it's dark, so you cannot see, but there's a little terrace out there with some chairs so you can sit. There's the mood lighting. So very nice room, very spacious. One of the bigger casino rooms I've stayed in. So nothing real fancy, but comfortable beds, clean accommodations, and good enough for Kansas Slots. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed the tour and you learned something. And if you're thinking about coming to Prairie Band, I would say I highly recommend it. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So we are going to begin the trek back to the casino. So have a good night, Kansas Slots. Hope this helps somebody.